Welcome to Beautyistic, where we review beauty products with the insight you need to make the best choices for your routine. Today we're talking about something every beauty lover needs, a portable mirror that's as functional as it is chic. Let me introduce you to the Fancii LED lighted travel makeup mirror, the perfect addition to your beauty arsenal, whether you're at home or on the go. It's compact, stylish, and designed with some really handy features that I'm excited to break down for you. This mirror combines a sleek, slim design with functionality that will transform how you apply makeup and do your skincare. It features both 1x and 10x magnification, ideal for everything from full face makeup application to tweezing and precise blemish control. Plus, with its daylight LED light, it simulates natural sunlight to give you accurate, color-correct details. You can count on the clarity and brightness to make sure you're never caught off guard by under or overdone makeup. And the fact that this mirror folds up easily into a portable handbag-friendly size? Total win. One of the standout features here is its 5-inch wide, distortion-free view, giving you a full, clear reflection without that annoying warping that can happen with cheaper mirrors. The LED light is designed to last up to 20,000 hours, so no need to worry about replacing bulbs anytime soon. Plus, it's powered by a rechargeable battery, good for both the environment and your wallet. The rose gold finish just adds that little touch of elegance, making it look great in any setting. Whether you're traveling or just touching up in your bathroom, this mirror's got you covered. I've been using this mirror in a few different scenarios: daily makeup application, skincare routines, and even during travel. The LED lighting is soft but bright enough to see every detail, which I appreciate when I need to make sure my makeup is flawless or when I'm using it for tweezing. The 1x magnification is perfect for overall coverage, while the 10x side is great for precision work, like filling in eyebrows or even applying false lashes. I found the mirror to be lightweight and easy to handle, which is a huge plus for someone always on the move. As for performance, this mirror really holds up. The lighting doesn't flicker and the brightness remains consistent. No more adjusting the light or searching for better angles. Plus, it charges quickly and lasts a long time, which is really important for something that's made to travel with you. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, the compact design makes it incredibly easy to throw into a handbag or travel bag. The 5-inch size is large enough to offer a great view, but it still fits into smaller bags without taking up too much space. The magnification is spot on for both general and detail work, and the LED light is superb, true to life and long-lasting. Plus, it's easy to charge, and the rose gold finish is just gorgeous. On the flip side, one possible con is the size. It's a bit larger than some other travel mirrors, so it may not be the best option if you need something even more compact. Also, if you're looking for a mirror with multiple lighting options, this one's strictly daylight LED. That's not a huge deal, but it's worth noting if you're used to having different light settings for different environments. When it comes to value for money, the Fancii mirror strikes a good balance. At its price point, you're getting both quality and style, plus the longevity of the LED lights makes it an investment you won't regret. The 10x magnification feature alone sets it apart from many other travel mirrors on the market, and the fact that it's durable and portable makes it worth the investment. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are smaller LED mirrors out there that could suit your needs. However, you may lose out on the 10x magnification or the sleek design that this mirror offers. For a mirror that checks all the boxes, this one's a solid choice. In terms of build quality, the mirror feels solid, and the materials are high-end for a compact product. The rose gold finish adds a premium feel, and the folding design ensures it won't break or scratch easily. I've had no issues with longevity. It's a product that's built to last. Now, as for customer support, I haven't had any direct interactions with Fancii's team, but from my experience with their products and reviews from other users, they have a good reputation for responsiveness and reliability. The mirror itself is straightforward to use, and I doubt you'll run into many issues, but it's good to know that the brand is there if you need them. In conclusion, The Fancii LED lighted travel makeup mirror is a fantastic choice if you're looking for something that's compact, functional, and stylish. The combination of portability, magnification, and LED lighting is hard to beat, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to elevate their makeup routine. Whether you're traveling or just need a reliable mirror for daily use, this one does it all. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep bringing you content that makes a difference in your beauty routine. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this mirror, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.